I look at biomass as a right now solution. As I would say that solar is probably the chunk of India's target in renewable energy. But if you look at solar for industry heating processes, then it works for very low temperatures. Yes, we could look at green hydrogen, which is the fuel of the future, but then that is some years ahead. Today, the solution is biomass fuels, and specifically for the mid-range heating, 150 degrees centigrade to about 400 degrees centigrade. And this is where we're looking at industry process heating. And that is where Steamax is focusing and concentrating. At the same time, one huge plus point of Steamax is that there is a tremendous focus on R&D. Now, we push innovation in Steamax. And the whole idea of setting up this R&D division or setup is that we are looking at what could be the changes in the biomass fuels, what could be the fuels 2 years down the line, 5 years down the line, and change accordingly. So it would be very negative if we were to look at today's biomass and expect it to be the fuel of the future. It will not be, it will change. And the constant research and development at Steamax is to ensure that we are current with times and that we are developing and creating products for the industry, not just for today, but what would also be the need 2 years or 3 years or 5 years down the line. One of the major problems that industry is facing with biomass or biomass use for process heating is the lack of reliability, the lack of guarantee, the lack of efficiency in this fuel. And this comes out of inconsistent quality of the biomass which is supplied. So it is a supply chain problem, not a design problem. But at Steamax, we are trying to correct this by creating a fuel. And you would see Astillas as a proprietary fuel of Steamax. The basic positive point about this fuel is that we can guarantee a certain amount of specifications. So we can guarantee that there would be a CV of more than so much, something which other biomass suppliers are not able to guarantee. So the major plus point of our proprietary fuel or Steamax's proprietary fuel is that we take pride in being able to supply fuel which we guarantee. And we also say that this is a problem in the biomass industry where people are not able to guarantee a particular kind of specification for the fuel. Now, this does emerge from the fact that biomass by itself, the nature of biomass is that it is inconsistent. So you would get maybe one type of, let's say, mustard straw from one place and another type from another location. Some may be wet, some may be dry, some may have different kind of qualities than the other. So at Steamax, the proprietary fuel that we make guarantees that it would have a particular type of specification. So one interesting aspect of Steamax, and that is part of our strategy, our vision, is that we want to be a one-stop shop for the needs of our clients. Now, it doesn't make sense if we were to supply equipment and then say goodbye. Our aim is to supply the equipment, supply the fuel, finally supply the steam which the client needs, and maintain it and operate it. So in a nutshell, we would say we supply steam as a service. All the equipment, the fuel, everything else that we supply makes us a sort of headacheless solution for the client. So our aim at Steamax is to be a problem solver rather than a business earning money.